Hi guys, today I'm gonna make a quick video. This is just for people to help people out. So I have this Porsche with lots of problem. So the fan will turn on by itself.
So the fan will turn on as soon as you open the door, then it shut down.
The battery will die overnight because the fan turned on by itself. The engine light was on. I have a bunch of full coats, like so much, and it has a new battery, but then it's still throwing full coats like no tomorrow. I have full coats for main relay. I'll see if I can get a picture down there.
So the engine light will be on as soon as you start the vehicle, and there will be a lot of full coats. I also have very long crank and no start.
So what I ended up finding is, if you go to the front and then you open this, and then you just gotta take this piece apart. It's only for the 958 model, and then you gotta take this cover out. Let me take this cover out for you. So after you take out the 4T30, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you're gonna lift this up, lift it up, and then get it out. So the relay that was inside here was this one. It will sit inside right here. So I'm gonna post a video about showing you how this relay was broken, but if you shake it, you can hear like a little bit of the clunking noise. It's like a metal, but I'll show you a video later.
So basically what we're looking at here is two very small metal pieces. I believe they're the relay, like this small circuit, and it's broken.
But basically what happened is that the relay that's the main relay, but it doesn't go completely. So it will intermittently start and then throw a bunch of full coats. It will still start, it runs fine, all that. And then you park for a while, it's all good. And then you go for a spin and come back. And then the fan turns on and all that. But I think the part number got updated. So make sure you get the green one. The green one is a new relay. But just to let you know, that's what I found. If this helped you, please comment and like and subscribe. Thank you so much. Thank you.